Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will discuss how to make Valorant run better on low-end PCs. So after opening up Valorant, we have to go to Settings, then General tab. In the General tab, we have to turn off Mature Content, Instability Indicator, and we also have to turn most of these settings off. Now let's go to the video section. Here we have to change the display mode to full screen, and you can lower your resolution to get more FPS in game. In graphics quality, turn every settings to the lowest possible setting, and in audio, make sure to turn HRTF off, and also turn off these voiceover settings. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.